Come on, let's have some fun, guys.
How's life? Are you doing good?
We're great, but we have some difficulties. So now, let's have some fun.
I'm worried because my girlfriend gonna be mad at me. Don't worry because this is once in a lifetime.
Don't mind your girlfriend. We're just going to have fun.
So now, let's have some fun. Cheers!
Paano malalaman to ng girlfriend mo, Bien?
Don't be afraid of that.
I'm just being sensitive because we might get scolded again.
Huwag na kayong magtalo. Salamat na lang tayo because Ben is with us. Tama ka dyan, Christian. Why are you guys arguing? Ilimik pa ba tayo?
Tara, gimmick na. Guys, do you want a girl?
Ayan ka na naman. Your stupidity exists again.
Babae ka dyan?
You look like a fool, Ryan.
Grabe naman kayo. Di na kayo mabiro. It's just a joke.
Is that a guitar?
Yes, it is. Sino bang marunong gumamit yan?
All I know is Lance.
Ayun na naman kayo.
Come on, dude. This is a once in a lifetime.
Pabiri pa.
Sige na nga.
Oh, ito.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3, go!
Uy, pare ko.
Hoy, pari ko!
Meron akong problema.
Huwag mo na sabihin na naman.
In love ako sa isang morehiyala. Di ko maintindihan. Huwag na nating idaan sa mabuting usapan. Lalo lang na madadagdagan ang sakit sa ulo. Bigay sa tiyan.
1, 2, 3, go!
Anong sarap na magkaibigan. Nagpo ako ng pag-asa. Yun pala hanggang nang magkaya. Akala ko ay pwede pa. Masakit mang isipin, kailangan tanggapin. Kailan ka naging seryoso, tsaka kanya gagaguhin. Oh, Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito? Iba lang hiya. Namukha akong
Okay.
I knew it! Andito ka lang pala! Kanina pa kita hinahanap!
Just shut up! You're a loser. We're just having some fun, Grace.
Kaya nga, Rain is also right.
Just shut up! And don't say anything! Pagkatapos niyong yayain si Ben na may kasamang ibang babae, tapos ano? Uulitin niyo pa?
That will never happen again.
Tahimik kayo. You, woman, you have done nothing but mess with my life. I don't even feel joy anymore.
Mas kinakampihan mo pa yung mga kaibigan mo? After you fooled me? What? Are you going to do it again?
It's not that I'm on their side. I just want to tell you what I really felt.
Nonsense! Ayoko na!
Babe naman!
Shut up! You don't value our relationship anymore!
My God, Chris, ang tagal-tagal na nun.
Pero yung matagal na yon, nandito pa rin!
That's just one mistake. Isa lang.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Pareho lang yon. Sumausaw ka pa rin sa iba.
I'm drunk that time.
Lintag na palusot yan. Even if you're drunk, alam mo pa rin yung mga ginagawa mo.
That's why I apologize to you right away, right? Kasi kahit anong sabihin ko, I was wrong. I made a mistake. Nasaktan kita.
Nasaktan? You guys, do you think kapag nang babae kayo, you're only hurting us? Itutulog yung sakit, tapos pagising okay na? That's our dream? Am I not enough? May kulang pa sa akin? May mali pa sa akin? Pangit ba ako? Kapalit-palit ba ako?
No!
Then why? Bakit mo ako niloko? You know how hard it is for me to trust Ben, but yet, I trusted you kasi pinangako mo na hindi mo na ako sasaktan.
really, really sorry, Chris.
Sorry? Sorry is just a word. It's not enough.
Chris naman.
Ayoko na.
Oh. Oh. Guys, please help me. Pasensya na pare. Naaway ka tuloy.
Sorry, Ben. Because of us, you and your girlfriend fought again. My apologies.
Ano lang yung mga drama nyo? Basta tulungin nyo akong makabawi kay Chris.
Paano?
Nance, ikaw ang patutugtugin ko. Okay lang ba?
If that's the only way para mapatawad mo kami, then gagawin ko.
That's I want. So come on, what are we waiting for? Labis na nag-inom, nagyayo sa bawat saglit. Kapag naalala ka, wala naman akong magawa. Umuwi ka na, baby. Hindi na ako sanay na wala ka. Mahirap ang mag-isa. At sa gabing hinahanap-hanap kita. Pasensya na, Chris. Nadala lang ako sa aking emosyon. Patawarin mo na sana ako.
You know, Van, I've forgiven you many times because I love you. This is how I love. I forgive again and again, even though it hurts.
I promise that I will give you everything again. Time, assurance. Kung pwede ay iligawan ulit kita. Whatever you want, mapatawad mo lang ako.
I love you more than the words I mentioned. Words that came out of my mouth. Just promise me that you will never hurt me again.
Pinapangako ko. Makakaasal din ka sa akin. Hanggang kailan ako naghihintay na magkasama ka muli sa buhay kong puno ng paghirap. At tanging ikaw lang ang pumapawi sa mga luha at naglalagay ng ngiti sa mga labi.
Wings! Total care with Fabcon! Bye na!
I'm really, really, I'm really, really sorry.
Sorry? Pasensya na, Chris! Nadala lang ako sa emosyon! Sana mapatawad mo ko!
3, go! Please help me. I'm really, really, go. I'm really, really sorry, Chris.